ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 528th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು ಸಭಾಪರ್ವಮು 38th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Bhishma Pitamaha disclosing the glory of Sri Krishna Avataram to Dharmaraju, saying like this, O Dharmaja, Sri Krishna, Balarama, Devendra, they all entered into Dwaraka Nagaram. Now that Dwaraka is looking like as if all the lions are in one cave. After that, Devendra addressing the entire assembly in Dwaraka saying like this, Yadardham Janma Krishnasya Manusheshu Mahatmanaha Yat Krutam Vasudevena Tat Vakshiyami Samatsataha. This great Sri Krishna Paramatma, why he has born as a human and what he did, I am going to tell you everything. Like that, Devendra telling to the entire assembly, saying like this, this Sri Krishna Paramatma went into Patalam. He got all this wealth for all of you. He crossed Murasura, Panchajana, and he killed Nisambha. He killed Hayagriva. He killed Narakasura. He got Aditi's kundalas, ornaments, and gave them to Aditi. So, with all this, out of all the devatas, Sri Krishna is the great Devata and he has greatest fame. Now, because all of you are taking shelter of Krishna Paramatma, you are under the support of Sri Krishna Paramatma, you all will have no grief, no fear, no worries. You all will do great yajnas. And also after some time, I myself along with Devatas will come to Krishna Paramatma to request him to kill Banasura. Like that, Devendra told about Krishna Paramatma to the entire assembly in Dwaraka. In that assembly, Ugrasena Maharaju also there. After that, Devendra gave a hug to Balarama, Krishna, Vasudeva, and he hugged all the important people and he talked to Satyaki. Then he took leave from Sri Krishna Paramatma. After that, Tataha Svetachala Prakhyam Gajam Airavatam Prabhuhu Pasyatam Sarvabhutanam Aruroha Sachipatihi. While everyone is looking at, Devendra got into his Airavatam along with his wife Sachi Devi. Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha disclosing. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.